Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2013 Bennington 24 SSRX. Just took this boat in on trade, guys. We sold it brand new to the owner. It's got right at 193 hours. This is a Bennington Tri-Toon with the SPS package, full-size Tri-Toon with Yamaha 150. Again, this is a freshwater boat, one owner boat, always serviced right here at MarineMax with the Yamaha 150 with approximately 193 hours. Guys, boat is in good shape. It's got the champagne paneling. It's got your docking lights and nav lights up front. Bear with me as we walk aboard. All right. As you'll see, all the upholstery is in good shape. No rips or tears. Storage located under all of these. Nice table with cup holders back here in the stern. Again, the Yamaha 150 with a ski tow bar. 10-foot bimini top. Boat has a Sony stereo with a Garmin depth finder and all your mechanical gauges. Guys, this boat is currently available. Does not include this trailer, but we can get you one. For more information, please call our Greenville store or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you for looking and have a great day.